my wife took a job teaching here in China, and we actually met in Victoria, British Columbia in Canada. That's where we went to school. So I went to school for exercise and wellness, and my wife obviously went to school for teaching. And so we met in Victoria, we fell in love, and we got married. And when we got married, we realized that we had a lot of student debt, and we wanted to fast track getting out of debt. So we were working. I mean, I was working as a personal trainer, and she was teaching, and life was good, but we really, really wanted to fast track getting out of debt. And we actually came across this business from our brother and sister-in-law, and they were making a lot of money a month, and we wanted that for ourselves. And so as soon as we saw someone who was real and who was making a lot of money, we decided that we would jump in and try to do the same. And so we were gung-ho from the start, and we got through the training in probably about a week and a half, and we were up and running within a month. And as soon as we were up and running, we actually got 35 leads in our first day, and then after that, our first few sales came within our first month of our business running. So we saw success right away, and it was awesome. This opportunity came along for my wife to come and teach in China. And another thing that this business has allowed us to do is to not say no to opportunities. So this opportunity came up, and we knew that we would be able to bring this business with us wherever we wanted to live. And it's been an awesome blessing, because I'm able to work from home, and my wife is able to do what she loves, and she's still able to teach. One of the biggest things that I have learned from this online business is just to remain positive. As Mike and Darren said before, I mean, we have weekly masterminds that we're able to attend, and everyone on it is just so positive, and everyone is so helpful, and there's such an awesome community that we have access to, and that we're able to talk to so many different entrepreneurs, and just to remain positive about life. And again, we're not saying no to any opportunities that come our way anymore. I mean, we feel like we have flexibility. We feel like we're able to reach our goals that we want to reach. We have been able to fast track getting out of debt. We've been able to obviously travel. I mean, we're living here in China, and we've traveled around Asia. We've been to Philippines, Korea, and when we were living in Victoria, we were able to travel up and down the West Coast and go to Alberta, Utah. It's been a dream come true, and we didn't have to wait until we've been in the workforce for 20, 30 years, and we've been able to fast track our dreams. So it's been an awesome blessing to be a part of this business. Thanks, guys.